Every year I make this one dish, and every time it brings back the same rich flavors, the same comfort, the same joy. It is simple, hearty, and packed with natural Jamaican flavor. Let me show you how I cook the best one-pot meal you will ever try. So this meal consists of fish, corn, yam, Irish potato, carrot, and some natural seasoning like scallion and thyme, pimento berries, onion, bell peppers, and put in a little Scotch pepper and put in a little bit of butter. Okay, so I'll show you exactly how it is done. Stay tuned. Welcome back, KK family. Welcome back to the kitchen. It's been a while, but I am back. Happy to have you. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend that KK's Kitchen cook some good food over here. Here I have about 2.5 pounds of freshwater fish. Yes, tilapia. It's called tilapia. You can use whatever fish you have, or as long as it's hard fish, you can use it. So here, my fish is already washed and cleaned up with vinegar and lime, and so I am just seasoning now, and I am putting on some meat sauce, black pepper. I am putting on some Cajun seasoning. Cajun seasoning is a game changer, guys. And I'll go along with some Goya. Remember, you can't put too much seasoning on it because the seasoning having salt, okay? So you have to manage it well. And I'll do that for one side, and I'll go again for the other side. Remember to season the head of the fish. If you're going to eat the head of the fish, you also need to season the inside and the head, okay? Here I have some okra, and I am just going to slice up my okra, not too big, but remember you can do it how you like it. I already cut the head of the okra and wash it, so I'm just cutting them up now in like bite-sized pieces, okay? So I peel my pumpkin, and I'm going to chop my pumpkin just the same in bite sizes, okay? So I don't peel off all the skin off my pumpkin. I'm just going to cut them in bite sizes. Because remember, we are making a one-pot meal. So as we cut, we remove from the chopboard and we put on something else, okay? And now I'm going with my carrots. Same thing. Bite sizes. Going in with my bell peppers now. Cutting my bell peppers. Not too chunky and not too fine. And I have a tomato. I'll be cutting up the tomato in there as well. The tomato is not a must, okay? The tomato is not a must, but I put it in there. Sometimes I put it in, sometimes I don't. You don't have to do that. So these are all my bell peppers and tomato. Chopping my scallion. Going in now with some garlic, so I'm chopping my garlic fine. And remember, just to note that all my vegetables and seasoning was already washed. So these are all the ingredients. We have the carrot, we have the Irish, we have the corn, we have our bell pepper, tomato, onion, we have some chopped scallion, and this is my thyme, garlic, pimento berries, and some scotchy. I have my okra over here, and I have my carrots. The yam is not yet peeled, and I have my 2 cups of water over there. Here I'm going in with my pumpkin noodle. I am just going to use the seasoning from the noodle. So here we are now on the stove getting ready. So I put a little tip of oil in the pan, and I'm going in with all my bell peppers and my tomato. Going in with thyme and my garlic and the pimento berries. And we give it a stir. We are building flavors as we go, okay? We are building flavors as we go. So as we saute, all the flavors are coming together. Going in with my chopped scallion. And just to saute again. Going in now with my pumpkin. Going in with carrots. And I'm sauteing, combining all the flavors, and then now I am going in my 2 cups of water. You can eyeball the water to see if it is enough for your fish. Okay, so you don't have to use 2 cups, you can use less or you can use more. So after it is boiled, I'm going in now with my seasoning, and here I am removing the seasoning from the noodles. Don't want the noodles in, only the seasoning, okay? Going in with my Irish. Going in with my yam. I'm putting in my corn now. So putting in the corn to what can hold in the pot, right? All of mine could not hold in the pot because I realized that the vegetables and everything, the pot is getting full and the fish is not yet in. So I'm stirring, just giving them some time to boil because you know the fish not going to take too long. So here I'm going in now with my 3 fish. The fish barely could hold in the pot. I should have used a bigger pot. Here I'm covering it up with my okra. And this is a dozen okra. It seems like I wanted more, but I'm just going to work with what I have, because I love okra. And I'm going in with some butter. About a half stick of butter is good enough, or 2 tablespoons. Here I am going in to check on my pot. So you notice it start to spring its own water, plus the water that was pouring there. That's why you don't need a lot of water in the fish. Just need a little bit, okay, because it's going to spring its own water. Here am I testing to see if the vegetables are cooked, and I'm spooning on some of the liquid onto the fish. Checking again, spooning on, okay, because I am not going to turn the fish, so I will go in occasionally and spoon on the liquid onto the fish, okay. So the seasoning and the flavor, everything that is at the bottom will be on the top of the fish as well. And this is look. I could do with a little bigger pot, but I am managing this one, okay. Next time I will not put so much vegetable in. So welcome to my one pot meal. My family crave this every year. Every year it's like I can't make enough for them. This is one of the recipe that is totally finished when we meet, because of the flavor of this meal. Nothing more. Everything is one place. Yam, corn, Irish, pumpkin, carrot, the fish. This is just one pot. Give you a belly full. Everything soft, flavorful, and ready to eat. Look at that broth. Rich, natural, and seasoned just right. This right here is the kind of food that nourishes the soul. If this look good to you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Jamaican homemade cooking. Thanks for spending time with me in the kitchen today. This one pot meal is more than just tradition, it's taste of home. Let me know in the comment how you would make your own. Do you add dumplings? Do you leave out the corn? Let's chat in the comment section. Please remember to subscribe for more from KK's Kitchen and more. Blessings always, and I would say, walk good, God bless you.